I seek a lordship indulgence in mentioning item number 16, 16.
16.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I have two hearing items today, item 14 and 16. And both the cases were pertaining to POCSO matters, my lord. And they were quite identical. So if this item 16 may be taken up after a week, I have taken the consent of the other party.
16.
Yes, my lord.
Your amicus query.
Yes, my lord.
The learned amicus query, Mr. Victor A. Ralte, prays for an adjournment. Who is for the other party?
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm for the state respondent.
Hard MS.
Additional public prosecutor.
You're the legal aid counsel or
No, my lord.
public prosecutor?
Additional public prosecutor.
Hard MS so-and-so, the learned additional public prosecutor. The hearing is adjourned today. List next week for hearing.
Yes, my lord.
And what about item number 14?
We are ready, my lord.
Huh?
We are ready.
Huh?
We are ready.
We are ready.
Deeply obliged.
May I please your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, with the consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 13 of today's list, as my senior Mr. S.K. Mehdi is out of station. Lordship, if possible, matter may be taken up on 20th of May.
20.
20 May.
What is your name?
And Lordship, K.K. Mehdi.
The learned counsel, Mr. K.K. Mehdi, appearing for the appellant, submits that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. S.K. Mehdi, is not available today, and on that ground, adjournment is prayed for.
And Lordship, there is interim order that may be continued.
The prayer is allowed. List on 20. You want 20?
Yes, 20 May.
20 May for hearing. The interim order past will continue until then.
Much obliged.
Your Lordship, may I make a mention regarding item number 5?
Yes.
Well, Sir Samuel Valershada Changte is absent due to personal difficulties. So, sir, may this matter be kindly pass over, may this matter be adjourned for another day?
You are for the respondent?
Yes, sir. On behalf of...
Well, this matter may come up next week, on the 6th. This matter's been pending since
On the
2024.
request of the learned counsel for the respondent, the matter is adjourned today. Heard Mr. A.R. Malhotra appearing for the petitioner. Appellant. List this matter on 6th of May.
I'm obliged.
For motion, item 1.
Yes, Your Lordship, regarding this matter number 1, this matter was handled by Miss Linda, and now she got stuck in traffic jam, and this matter may be passed over for the time being, Your Lordship.
Okay, all right.
For admission, item 2.
Lords, this case, I have instructions from the respondent. Now, my lord, he wants some time to file a written objection with respect to the maintainability of this case, my lord.
Respondent number 1.
Respondent number 1.
You want to file affidavit in opposition?
Yes, with respect to the maintainability only, my lord, of this case. And he is going to appear in person, my lord, on the next.
If I may, Lordship, may kindly come to the last order, Lordship. Last order. The last chance was from last 3 occasions. Time was sought for some or the other pretext, Lordship. And then this last occasion, Lordship, on 8th of April, last chance was given today. Now today they want to file a written affidavit in opposition or an objection to the writ appeal, Lordship. Whether there is any provision for filing an objection regarding maintainability in a writ appeal. Now, Lordship, these are reasons. Lordship may not entertain these reasons, Lordship. Lordship, let him argue on merit, because this is a writ appeal. It is between the appellant and the court, Lordship. If Lordship would find that there is no merit in the writ appeal, Lordship may dismiss it. But Lordship may hear it and conclude the hearing, Lordship. It has been happening from 4 to 5 dates continuously. It is happening like this, Lordship.
This will be the last chance.
No, Lordship, last occasion also it was the last chance, Lordship.
No, no
Lordship may
further
kindly
chance.
consider this, Lordship.
No further chance will be given. I have one last opportunity.
Lordship, Lordship, it will be very difficult, Lordship, because last occasion also it was the last chance. Lordship, may kindly see the last order, Lordship.
Yes, I have seen it. Okay, one last opportunity.
Lordship, it
No
is
further
difficult,
chance will be
Lordship.
given.
Lordship, I would like to argue this, Lordship.
No, you wait for their objection. Heard Mr. P. Deca, appearing for the petitioner, appellant. Heard Mr.
Joseph, my lord.
Joseph, appearing for the respondent number 1. Mr. Joseph has
Lordship.
submitted. You
Lordship, I am for respond number 2 and 3, my lord. M.
heard Mr. Smith, M. Smith.
M. Smith, my lord.
M. Smith, appearing for the respondents 1 and 2.
2 and 3, my lord.
2 and 3.
Oh, 1 and 2, sorry, my lord. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, my lord.
Yes.
No, but then, Lordship, these are all pro forma defendants. We are not claiming any relief, and notice they have not even appeared in the writ petition, Lordship.
Then they will have to be removed from this title page.
Yes, Lordship may strike off, Lordship.
Mr. Joseph submits that he wants to file an affidavit in opposition by which he challenges the maintainability of this appeal. Mr. Deca has objected to it on the ground that several chances have been taken by the respondent number 1 to that effect, and this was given the last chance. But after hearing both sides, this court is of the opinion that the respondent number 1 should be given another opportunity to file the objection, if there be any. No further chance shall be given. Para. Mr. Deca submits that the respondents 4 and 5 are submits that no relief has been sought from the respondents 4 and 5, and they may be struck off from the title page of the memo of appeal. Accordingly, the names of the respondents 4 and 5 are struck off from the title page of the memo of appeal. Leave this matter again on, when do you want it?
28th, my lord, May.
No, Lordship, a short date may be given, Lordship.
My lord, I am not, my lords, I'm not going to be in station, my lord. I'm going to be out of station on the 1st of May, on the 1st week of May, and on the 3rd week of May, my lord. So that's
Second
why
week
I'm
of
saying-
May, Lordship.
2nd week of May.
2nd week of May,
Lordship, 13th May.
13 May. Okay, on 13 May.
I'll look.
Yes.
Item 3.
Yes, Your Lordship. This matter is regarding the formation of Human Rights Commission in Mizoram. And Your Lordship, there are some improvement. As of now, Your Lordship, I cannot produce the detail of improvement regarding the formation of Human Rights Commission. But however, as per my instruction, Your Lordship, there are some improvement. And moreover, the office for the Human Rights Commission has been looked into. And it is, however, about to be finished, Your Lordship. So I may be kindly given time to get more instruction regarding this.
Who is for the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. As per the last court's order dated 11/2/2026, the state was supposed to submit their up-to-date status with regards to the setting up of State Human
Okay,
Rights
let her take
Commission.
instructions.
Yes, Lordship.
Hard MS so-and-so appearing for the petitioner. You are for the state of Mizoram.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are AG,
GA.
GA.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hard learned government advocate. MS so-and-so appearing for the respondent number.
Item 4. Item 4.
Lord, in this case, this is concerning the airport construction, my lords. And we were directed to verify this airport on the spot, my lord. And we have also gone there and we have taken pictures and we have filed our affidavit also in this respect, my lord. Now, it appears, my lord, that the airport has not been completed at all, my lord. There are quite a lot of things that has to be done. And there are also quite a lot of constructions, my lord, which are not up to standard. For instance, the toilet, my lord, even though the toilets have been constructed, there are some toilet things which are missing, my lord, and they are unusable. And also the tiles, my lord, on the floors, many of the tiles have cracked. They have used cracked tiles. And also, my lord, the conveyor belts that they have used, my lord, many of them they have used are old conveyor belts. They are not new. So they claim to have installed new conveyor belts, but the conveyor belts that are there now, my lord, they are all old. And we have received information, my lord, that they have not been working from time to time.
One of the conveyor belt is not working.
Yes, it from time to time, my lord. And if your lordship will see page number 50 also, 49, page number 50, page number 48 also, my lord. This was the work that was supposed to have been done by the respondent number 5, page number 48, my lord, of the affidavit. This is the picture. My lord, they are saying that this is completed. And if your lordship will see page number 49, this is the same site. They are claiming that this has been completed. It does not look like it is complete, my lord. And page number 50, my lord. So there are two conveyor belts. Page number 50 is a conveyor belt that is constructed on the other side of the airport, my lord. Page number 50 also does not look like it has been completed, my lord. It's far from being completed. Page number 51. This is also the same site as page 50. It does not look like it is completed at all, my lord. It requires quite a lot of work left. Page number 52, my lord. This is
all right. Who is for the respondent number 1?
Respondent number 1, state government, my lord.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are first.
Yes. In this regard, Your Lordship, if I may be given time to file my affidavit, additional affidavit, and we will be filing our affidavit
Additional
today or day after tomorrow regarding the,
Who is for the respondents 3, 4, 5?
My lord, 5 is represented. 5 and 6 are represented by.
5 and 6 are represented.
5 and 6 is supposed to be the contractor, my lord. And if your lordships will see page 33. My lord, this is supposed to be this new constructed ceilings, false ceilings. And my lord, the government also needs to look at these kind of things, my lord, and see that the construction is done properly, my lord. That it is not below standard. And if your lordship will see page number 35, I'm just showing your lordship some examples, my lord, of what has been done. My lord will see page number 35. Page number 35 is a picture of the toilet. It looks very clean from here, my lord. But if you see, there are 4 taps. And the last one, my lord, the last one is missing. This the missing toilet, my lord, is at page 36. Lordship will see page 36. These are the kind of things that are happening, my lord. It's half-hearted work. And page number 37, my lord, these are the ceilings. They already look like they have been used, they have worn out.
Okay, later file the additional affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. Joseph.
Yes, my lord.
So appearing for the petitioner.
Petition.
Lordship, if I may, Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior for the respondent number 5 and 6, my lord.
5 and 6.
Yes, my lord, the contractors.
Okay.
My lord, if I may be allowed to submit an up-to-date status report, my lord, by way of an
The
affidavit. my lord.
learned government advocate, MS so-and-so, appearing for the respondent number 1. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Praised for some time to file an additional affidavit. On the other hand, the learned counsel MS so-and-so appearing for the respondents 5 and 6. Praised for some time to file an up-to-date status report. After hearing both sides, the prayers made by the learned counsels are allowed. Least after 3 weeks.
Right, Lordship.
Item 6.
Who is for item number 6? None appears for the petitioner on call. Least after 3 weeks.
Item 7.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, Item 7, my lord, this is an application for condonation of delay, my lord, in the connected writ appeal.
659 days.
My lord.
Very
My
long
lord,
delay.
the issue, my lord, which has been challenged in the writ appeal, my lord, the similar issue has been, is pending adjudication, my lord, before the Honorable Division Bench at the principal seat. That is the writ appeal number 383 of 2025. It is listed on 12th May, my lord. There are so many matters, my lord, in Mizoram. My lord, the issue is relating to payment of the interest under section 28 and section 34. The landowners, my lord, they are claiming interest under both the sections. And, my lord, the railways, my lord, has the contention that, my lord, that the interest would be liable to be paid under one section only. And this issue, my lord, is sub judice, my lord, in a writ petition, writ appeal, my lord, before the principal seat. Earlier it was pending before the Aswal bench. Thereafter, my lord, it was transferred to the principal seat, my lord. It is WA 383 of 25. Exactly, my lord, same issue are pending, my lord. So, I may humbly pray, my lord, that the delay may be condoled, my lord.
My lord, let it be taken on 20th of May, my lord. Because,
20th of May.
yes.
No, if my friend has no objection, my lord, delay can be condoned, my lord, and the matter can be, then I can pray for tagging it along with the other
No,
similar.
he is asking for some time.
Yes, my lord. In fact, my lord, the government side is also not present, my lord.
Heard Mr. Gupta.
My lord,
H. Gupta.
my lord, my lord.
H. Gupta appearing for the applicant. Heard Mr.
H. Zaudin Sangha, my lord.
Appearing for the respondent.
Yeah.
The learned counsel for the respondent prays for some time. After hearing both sides, his prayer is allowed. Least on 28th of May.
Yes, my lord.
Oblige.
Item 8.
My lord, we have filed an application 72 of 26. However, the leading counsel, my senior, have a personal difficulty. So if the IA could be taken up on some other day.
You have filed the IA.
Yes, we have filed the IA. However, my senior, the leading counsel, have a personal difficulty.
My lord, a copy may be supplied to us. This IA,
Okay.
my lord.
MS so-and-so, APD for the applicant, submits to the learned conducting counsel, Mr. So-and-so is not available today, and on the ground an adjournment has been prayed for. On the other hand, Mr. Joseph, APD for the learned amicus curiae, APD for the respondents. Respondent 1.
Yes, but in fact,
Huh?
petitioner in the main, respondent number 1 in the IA.
Or respondent number 1 submits that he is yet to receive a copy of this interlocutory application. Therefore, applicant is directed to provide one copy of the interlocutory application to Mr. Joseph. List again.
Lordship, if I may make one submission, in the last court order dated 27/3/26, 3 new respondents were newly impleaded as respondent 26, 27, and 28. And we will be representing respondent number 26. So if I may be granted 1 week's time to file my power.
Okay. Hard Mr.
Michael Patsuo.
Appearing for the respondent number 2. Respondent 26.
That's in the main.
Here in the IA
Not in the IA. The
or in the IA? Oh, in the main petition. Okay then. Sir.
Your Lordship, there's another IA, IA 65 of 2026. This is filed by the state, my lord.
This is after 2 weeks.
My lord,
That is after 2 weeks. In IA number 62,
65
65.
is another IA.
Yes.
My lord, this IA is filed by the state
Yes.
in the UT and PA department. And we have asked, this honorable court, my lord, has wide order dated 19/7/2024 has ordered to stop all construction activities in the area. And my lord, in this application, we have asked that we may be permitted to complete our project, my lord.
Yes. Who is for the opposite party? Yeah.
I am here for the respondent number 1 in this also. But I will take, I'll take one opportunity may be given to us.
My lord,
I will go through this IA. I will go through this IA also.
I am for the AMC, and if I may be given time to obtain instructions.
Okay.
All right.
Hard MS so-and-so appearing for the applicant. This is in IA number 65.
65.
Mr. Joseph, appearing for the respondents? No, so respondent number 1, prays for
I
some
am for
time.
respondent number 2.
Respondent number 1, prays for some time to take instructions and to reply in this matter. Hard Mr.
Zoram Sana,
Joram Sangha, appearing for the
respondent number 2.
respondent number 2, prays for some time to file an objection.
No, obtain instructions only, my lord.
Prays for some time to take instructions. The prayer of the learned counsel is allowed. Least after 2 weeks.
All right.
Item 1 for motion.
Yes.
Hello, this present PIL has been filed challenging the arbitrary framework that has been adopted by the state government in its public procurement process, which is resulting in a great loss to the public exchequer, and along with that is granting an undiscretionary power to the state government to pick and select the bidder among all the tender.
Lowest rate is not mentioned. No.
My lord, there has been a notification that has been issued by the finance department dated 15 July 2024, which is annexed as annexion number 4 at page 31.
Now, what is this 5%?
Sorry, my lord?
What is this 5% you mentioned?
My lord, this 5% is a notification issued by the finance department. This notification says that every tender which has been published by the state government, there is a estimated cost. Now, any bidder who is coming to participate in the tender cannot quote less than 5%.
Oh,
So, my lord, for example, if a tender has been issued and a cost of work is 100 crore, so all the bidder has been pressurized to quote only up to 95 crores. They cannot go beyond a limit lower than 95 crores.
lower than 95, yes.
And my lord, this is causing an extreme loss to the public exchequer and a loss of a public money. My lord, it would have been an other scenario. Usually the bidder may quote sometimes up to 30% lower, 20% lower, maybe 10% lower. 10% lower minimum they quote. But because of this notification, they have been pressurized to quote at less than 5% only. This is causing a great loss to the public exchequer. Also, my lord, this has been causing this has been eliminating a fair price discovery. So this is causing the L1 determination a very redundant practice. This has rendered a competitive practice into an authoritative choice-making decision. And my lord, this is not enough. This is a first step that the state government has taken, fixing a 5% lower limit. Thereafter, they have come up with their own SBD, which they have initiated a rule which says that we have a discretion to select among the bidders whomsoever will be the L1. So, my lord, because of this price capping, most of them will be L1, and the state is saying that there is no procedure to decide. We will pick and choose whom we will award the work. So that is a challenge in this PIL, my lords.
Okay, we will issue notice today.
And my lord, there is a request to grant a stay of operation on these two clauses only. That fixing of lower capping and arbitrary power to pick and decide who will be the awardee of the work.
Where is your prayer?
My lord, the prayer is
For interim prayer?
My lord, interim prayer is prayer number 1, pending the hearing and final disposal of the present writ petition, stay the operation of implementation and effect of the impugned notification, this dated 15 July 2024, which is imposing 5% lower capping, and the impugned SBD document published wide OM this number dated 26 September 2025, and further restrain the respondent from awarding any work under any tender process based on the said impugned notification and discretionary power.
Yes, who is for the respondent?
My lord, I'm for the respondent. My lord, regarding the interim prayer, my lord, let this be taken up on the next court date, my lord. Let me get instructions on that.
My lord, every time a tender has been awarded, state is directly having a loss of 20 to 30%. This is the public money, my lords. And my lord, I will also show to you how they have imposed the arbitrary power to selection. My lord, may come to page 88 of the petition.
Okay, later take instructions on the next date. Your interim prayer will be considered. Heard, Mr.
Karthik Sen.
Karthik Sen.
Karthik Jain.
Karthik Jain. Appearing for the petitioner. Heard, MS.
Linda L. Campbell,
The learned government advocate.
additional AG.
Additional advocate general. So and so appearing for the respondents.
All the respondents.
All the respondents. MS so and so has no notice, no formal notice is required to be sent, as because MS so and so has accepted notice. MS so and so has prayed for some time to take instructions on the prayer for interim order. After hearing both sides, her prayer is allowed. List on when? After 2 weeks?
3 weeks, my lord.
After 2 weeks? List after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
For hearing, item 14.
Here notice of the note. Notice upon the respondent number 2. You are for the respondent number 2. Do you have anything to say in this IA? Yes.
May I seek your lordship's indulgence in mentioning item 7 of part 2, my lord.
Item number?
7 of part 2. My lord, as agreed by both the parties, if this matter may be listed next Monday,
Item number 7.
my lord.
Next Monday will be too early.
My lord, this is an urgent matter, so if this matter may be listed on any date after, on any date other than Monday, next week.
Next week, no, do it on 11th.
My lord, if possible on the first week of May.
Hmm?
If possible on the first week of May.
First week of May, it is not possible. Second week.
Obliged, my lord.
Place this matter on 11th of May for hearing.
Daily list for orders, item 1.
My lord, I have filed my written objection to the two IAS. IAS civil number 84 of 2025 and IAS civil number 165 of 2025.
There are two IAs. 165 and
84, my lord.
84. 165, who filed this IA? You filed?
I have filed this morning, my lord.
You have filed the IA?
No, my lord, the IA is filed by the appellant.
Okay. Who is for the appellant?
For the appellant, he is to appear through VC mode, my lord.
Through VC?
Yes, my lord.
But today he is absent. None appears for the applicant on call. Hard MS?
Laltan Louis.
Appearing for the?
Respondents 1 to 3.
Respondents 1, 2, and 3. Since none appears for the applicant on call, the matter is adjourned today. Least after 2 weeks. In the second IA, 84, who filed?
84 is also filed by the appellant, my lord.
Then same order in 84 also.
My lord, if my filing of the written objection may kindly be reflected in the order.
Have you filed?
Yes, my lord, I have filed it this morning.
Put that line. MS so-and-so has submitted that she has filed a written objection.
To both of the IAS, my lord.
In both the IAs. Remaining part is same. Okay.
My lord.
Item 2.
Lordship, we have filed this IA 74 against the removal order of 19/3/2026 by the respondent, Lordship. So,
Yes, who is for the Union of India?
Yes, my lord, I am for Union of India.
And who is for respondent number 2? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
In IT.
Huh?
In IT.
You are appearing for all the respondents.
Not appear today, my lord. Even they have a council, my lord.
You are CGC.
Yes, my lord. I'm appearing for Union of India only.
The others notice served or not?
we have served.
You have served.
We have served notice, Lordship.
But their names are also not shown here. Names are not shown in the cause list. You have to wait till their appearance. You are Ashok Kumar?
Yes,
Rukum.
Rukum.
Heard Mr. A.K. Rukum appearing for the petitioner. Applicant? Heard MS so-and-so. The learned CGC appearing for respondent number 1. None appears for respondents 2 to 5.
We have annexed, Lordship, the acknowledgement
Oh,
for the respondent
there,
2, 3, 4.
there is standing counsel.
Yes.
Mr. C.
Joram Chana.
Joram Chana.
Yes.
He is absent today.
Absent.
None appears for the respondents 2 to 5. For that reason, the matter is adjourned today. Least after 2 weeks. It is hereby directed that if on the next date none appears for the respondents 2 to 5, the applicant shall be heard alone. Least after 2 weeks.
Lordship, if date may be fixed, Lordship, 11th.
On 11th.
On 11th.
On 11th of May.
Okay. Thank you, Lordship.
Item 3.
Yes.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, this is an application filed by the applicants for seeking for withdrawal of the connected writ petition, that is WPC 17 of 2026, with liberty to file a fresh writ petition. Since there are some formal defects and some other valid grounds.
You want to withdraw?
Yes, my lord. With liberty.
Yes. You are for the respondent number, respondent? Respondent number? 2. Who is for 1 state of Mizoram? State respondents and 1, 2 and 3. That means all. You want to withdraw it?
Yes, my lord. With liberty to file afresh.
The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the applicant submits that because of some technical errors, he wants to withdraw the writ petition. Hard MS so-and-so, appearing for all the respondents, or respondents 1, 2 and 3. All the respondents. The prayer of the applicant is allowed. The connected writ petition is disposed of on withdrawal. Liberty is granted to file it afresh. The IIS is disposed of.
Humbly obliged.
There is separate order is not required. Here I have mentioned it.
May it please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, item number 1. I'm really sorry, your lordship. I was not able to connect because of some technical difficulty here. I was present, your lordship. Your lordship, item number 1, I am for the appellant, your lordship. And the rest.
I have already passed the order.
Your lordship, my presence may be and a date may be fixed, your lordship, kindly.
Date cannot be given. You are
Your lordship.
You are GR Datta.
Yes, your lordship. I'm GR Datta.
Okay, put that name. I will say GR Datta.
Your lordship, if a date may be fixed for hearing, because this is regarding some property or regarding to the will of the deceased, and there are some allegations and counter allegations of the property being sold, and they have withdrawn also some money from the bank account.
After 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Your lordship, if 21st May may be fixed, your lordship.
Please this matter on 21st May for hearing.
Deeply obliged, your lordship. Deeply obliged.
I took a quick bathroom trip. I'm so sorry to. I would like to mention part 2, item number 17. May the matter be taken up tomorrow.
Item number?
Part 2, item number 17. Hearing list.
Second appeal.
Yes.
Tomorrow it cannot be given. Second week of May. part 2 list, item number 17. List this matter on 12 May for hearing.
Much obliged.
Your lordship, there is a status quo order that may kindly be continued till then, your lordship.
The status quo order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 1.
Oh.
Okay. All right.